Hello all, welcome back to my recipe video again. So it is a super Italian style spicy pasta. So that's what we're going to see today. So before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it, and also hit the bell icon and all option with it. So now let's start. So as usual in a kadai, so I'm just going to add a few, maybe a 2 tablespoon of butter. Along with it, 2 tablespoon of oil approximately. So this will give you a very good rich flavor when you're adding butter to it. So you can also add only butter to it. So that will also be very good. Now to this, I'm going to add few garlic pods, like I've just cut it into slitted it. So if you want, you can just chop it in very tiny pieces too. Now with this, I'm going to add a medium sized uh, onions, like it's a big onion. I'm just going to saute it well. Now for the spicier part, I'm just going to add chili flakes to it. So if you want a little more spicier, you can add little more, but because like I've just added little because my kids are also going to have it, so I've just added little. Now add the pasta seasoning. If you don't have pasta seasoning, you can also add any kind of herbs which you have, like thyme, basil, parsley, oregano. So anything like will be fine. So if it is going to be Italian thing, so you need to add some herbs to it, so that will make it more tastier and flavorful. So now here I've just added like almost I think one medium sized tomatoes puree. So I'm not adding it more because we don't like tangy flavor. Like my husband doesn't like tangy flavor, so I'm just not adding it very less. If you want, you can add a little more. Now I'm going to add salt to it, so the required amount of salt, and mix it well. Always check on the salt as we are adding cheese here, so cheese might have some salt to it, so always add very consciously. Now I've just added two cubes of cheese here. You can add any cheese, but than mozzarella, that is pizza cheese, this normal cheddar cheese will be good. Normal cheese is better when compared to mozzarella, because mozzarella will be more stickier. So stir it well. One thing to notice that you might burn it, the pasta sauce might burn, so you should be very careful when after adding your cheese. Now add slitted mushrooms. You can add any vegetables, but if you're using any other vegetables or something like a chicken, you should cook it before. But as mushroom is little like softer and easier to cook, I'm just adding it directly. And if you, in case if you're using paneer, you can just fry the paneer and then add to it, so that it'll be easier. Mushroom is very easy to cook, so I'm just adding it directly. Now just mix it well. Once you close the lid and let the mushroom cook, then just open and stir it well. Now add the boiled pasta. So I've already boiled the pasta, so it should be in a good correct consistency. It should not be like too cooked or nor undercooked, so it should be properly cooked. Now mix this with the sauce. If need be, you can add salt to it. Now to garnish, I'm just going to add the seasonings on top. I'm adding the red chili flakes and also this Italian pasta seasoning on top to make it more flavorful. So it all depends on your flavor and your taste and your preference. You can do it. If you need more spicier, just add it more. If you want less spicier, you can add it less. So it is totally dependent on you. And the flavorful and yummy pasta, Italian pasta in spicy sauce is ready to serve. And make sure you serve it little hotter. By that way it will be more flavorful. So I hope you like this video and do try this recipe and let me know. And if you want any other recipe or any other video, please comment below or DM me. I would love to do it for you. And also follow me on Instagram and other social media. All the links are given in the description bar. Do check it and support me.